Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In today's class I have MCQs with respect to Indian economic environment, which is the economics general paper for FYBA. So let's get started. The first MCQ is related to the sources of credit in agriculture. So the first question goes like this: sources of agricultural finance or credit are classified into A. institutional sources, B. non-institutional sources, C. both institutional as well as non-institutional sources, and D. none of these. So therefore the broader classification of agricultural finance or agricultural credit is into two of these, that is institutional sources and non-institutional sources. So here the correct answer is option C, which is both institutional as well as non-institutional sources. So I hope this MCQ is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next question, which is a not sort of a question. Which of the following is not an institutional source of agricultural credit? And the underlying options available to us are: first is A. money lenders, B. cooperative banks, C. commercial banks, and D. none of the above. So here the correct answer is which of the following is not. This is, you have to read the question carefully. It is a not sort of a question. Not an institutional source of agricultural credit or finance. So here money lender is not institutional, it is rather a non-institutional source of credit, and therefore option A is the correct answer here. I hope the question is pretty much clear. Thereafter, let us move to the next question, which is talking about which amongst the following is non-institutional source of agricultural credit. Now here we have been given certain options and we have to see whether or not they are institutional or non-institutional sources of agricultural credit, and here we have to underline only the non-institutional sources. So A is relatives, B is traders or brokers, C is landlords, and D all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of these along with money lenders are all non-institutional sources of agricultural credit. So this is the correct answer, which is option D. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the merits of institutional source of credit. What are the merits, or what are the good points, or what are the advantages of taking loans or credit from institutional sources like cooperative banks, commercial banks, etc. So the first option available to us is they are for longer terms. The second is they have very low rate of interest. The third is they are available during bad times, that is during floods as well as droughts, and the last option is all of the above. So these are all the merits of institutional credit, that is low rate of interest, longer term loans, and available during bad times, that is floods and droughts. So therefore option D is the correct answer here. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the structure of cooperative banks in India. So you have to read carefully what sort of structure I am asking, or the question will look like in your university exams. So the structure of cooperative bank is divided into dash levels. So here they have given us the levels in the option, that is A. state level, B. district level, C. primary agricultural credit societies, and D. all of the above. So therefore if you know the structure of cooperative banks, it is a three-tier structure, wherein at the top we have the state, at the center we have the district, and here we have the primary agricultural credit society. So therefore all of these are a part of the structure in the cooperative banking, and therefore option D is the correct answer. I hope the question is pretty much clear and the explanation for the same. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the long form of PACS, whether it is A. primary agricultural credit societies, B. presidency audit credit society, C. primary audit common scheme, and then last option is presidency agricultural common scheme. So here the correct option for this PACS is primary agricultural credit society, which forms the base of the three-tier structure which we see in the cooperative banking structure in India. So I hope these MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you.